Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix NVIDIA control panel not opening on Windows. Thanks for oslogics.com to provide this article. So there is some solutions to fix this error. So the NVIDIA control panel is a user-friendly interface for fine-tuning graphic and display setting on the computer with NVIDIA GPU. So here we go. This control panel, this is the cause of NVIDIA control panel missing from your PC or laptop, like missing or outdated drivers, conflicting software, fast startup option in Windows 10, and display container process. So how to fix it? You can restart NVIDIA control panel. You can right click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Click on the NVIDIA control panel and select the End Task button at Windows bottom right. After a few seconds, you can open the NVIDIA control panel again. Or you can restart the NVIDIA services. You can press Windows R to open and run dialog box. Type services MSC, press enter and search for the NVIDIA display container LS service from the list. Right click on it and choose restart. And also you can update your NVIDIA driver. If you have the old one, you can try to install the latest driver. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the button below. See you in the next video.